guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm here with Yolissa Hair. It's not the first time with them. I absolutely love their wigs all the time when I get them, so I was really excited about this package today. It's actually the new kind of body wave. I got the wig of obviously an edge brush and comb. I got a scarf. I got a pair of lashes. I got a elastic band, a scarf that's branded Yolissa, information card, and a wig cap. And oh yeah, I got a bag, you know, the drawstring bag there, branded Yolissa, perfect for storage, you know, after you cleanse your wig or you just really just want somewhere to store it. This is perfect for that. So now we got today's wig, which I love so much, guys. I'm going to be sure to put all the specifications in my description box. Please go ahead and check it out. Oh my gosh, the fact that this was pre-curled, I'm just in love. I love the length, all that. I love it. The volume. And it's a closure wig, so I knew that this would be so easy to install. In total, the inside has 3 combs, adjustable strap, and it's a standard cap construction. You see the bounce? It's not the first time you see I getting a wig that has curls that come like this, okay? But I love how they're just integrating everything and making life way easier when it comes down to this whole wig game. It's a 5x5 closure as well, so it was pretty easy to work with. As you can see, it's just one spray right across, and it will be just like, I just get my blow dryer on cool air to dry that down, and the lace blended in so nicely. It was nicely undetectable, and so I really like that. Blended in really well, so that is a definite plus. It came pre-plucked as well, as you can see, so I love that. It's always a go when you can get a nice pre-plucked wig. And I know a lot of females really do prefer lace closures because sometimes, as I say, it's less work, and sometimes I feel like these days I'm coming to the conclusion that having a nice lace closure wig might be better, like when you're going on vacation and such, because it's less hassle as opposed to a full-on lace front where you have to be focusing on the sideburns lifting and all of that. Even, I'm not saying it's not gonna lift just the same, but I'm just saying dealing with the middle portion there on the forehead is way easier than to like deal with a whole lace front portion, if you get what I mean. But yeah, you guys know that I do prefer my lace fronts. I'm not gonna lie. I'm just saying the convenience of a lace closure is pretty nice. So I took my time, finessed the edges, the little swirl here and there. I wanted to be a little bit dramatic, and then I went in with my hot comb to get everything nice and laid. Oh, this was a very nice 13x6 parting as well. Always love a nice deep parting. And then I just took my time to lay that down as flat as I possibly could. I went in with my brown hairspray again. Oh my gosh, I still haven't gotten the black, so I was still using this, but it really didn't look anyway. I'm all done with this wig. I did the least with my makeup. I only applied a little bit of powder and some gloss. That's it. And I think this looks amazing. I think this really does look amazing. I just did it in a center part. I love the bob vibe and the voluminous curls. Whenever I get one of these wigs, I get so excited because like it's basically like 70% styled for you already, because these curls, it takes time if you would have to sit down and curl each section yourself. So getting it like this really does make life easier. It's so nice. I didn't even go in and curl it any further. I kind of just played with it, shaped the curls. I used my hot comb to lay the top hair, and I just love the way that it's looking. It's really, really pretty. The lace melted really nicely. I love the look. I love it. Yolissa Hair never fail me. I'm not gonna tell a lie. I always get good quality wigs from them, so shout out to them. This wig is absolutely gorgeous, and I'm happy that I got it in this length, because I'm always getting really long wigs from Yolissa, and it's always like really nice. But today I wanted a change, and this doesn't look bad at all. I really love the look of this. It's really pretty. So shout out to them. This is a cute do to just go out on a date, you know, just go to dinner, you know, something nice, you know, pair this with a cute outfit and it's a go. So I love this. I'm going to put all the specifications of this wig in my description box, as well as the direct link. I must say it's very silky. As I said before, I love the fullness. It fits perfectly. It's a medium cap size, and a closure wig is always so much easier to just work with. And it's like these, it's a 5x5 closure, as you saw, so it still gives that look like it's a lace frontal, but it is also good for like a beginner's wig. But yeah, that's it for today's wig look. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Thank you. And don't forget to go ahead and check out my vlog channel, PETITE-SUE TV. And that's it for now. So I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, just go and pick up with yourself.
Jump into love that won't be forgotten forever.